I believe it's time to report a problem here. We got red signals in both directions, and the gates are down, but no train. And it's been like this for a good 20 minutes or so since I've been standing here. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, as you can see behind me, the gates are still down. I've been here over a half an hour waiting on this train coming, so maybe after the train passes, they'll go back up. And we got another rail fan there in front of us. Look at the clouds. This guy is really moving slow here. gates go up. And they do. All right, no train coming, and these things are coming down. We definitely have a malfunction here. Interesting. The Norfolk Southern maintenance just pulled in. Now he's heading over to the other maintenance box there. Well, just talking to that rail fan right there. He's taking a few videos and pictures, and we thought that the gates would go up after the train, and it did, and then they came back down again. So who knows what's going on? I guess we might have to give them a call again. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails. Man, it is really pouring rain out now. We got another southbound train coming. We'll see if the gates are fixed after this train goes by. Well, let's see if the gate stays up this time. Nope, going back down. Well, I'm sure the maintenance guy's not too happy. Now he's got to get out in the rain. And that's not going to be very fun for him. Well, let's get on out of here.